Imagine having skin so smooth, so radiant that people can't help but notice. For men with melanated skin, achieving that flawless glow starts with understanding what your skin actually needs. Whether you're dealing with oily patches, dry areas, or both, the right routine makes all the difference. This is where the Skin Script Starter Kit comes in, 3 essentials designed specifically for combination and oily skin types. Step 1. Cleanse. Start with the Charcoal Clay Cleanser. This gentle foamy cleanser absorbs oil and toxins from your skin without over-drying. It deep cleans your pores while keeping your skin balanced and comfortable. Step 2. Tone. Next, apply the Mint Refining Toner. This step minimizes your pores and calms your skin, creating the perfect foundation for hydration. Step 3. Moisturize. Finish with the Light Aloe Moisturizer. This lightweight formula seals in water and balances surface lipids, giving you that smooth, healthy finish without any greasy residue. The kit includes Skin Script Charcoal Clay Cleanser, 2 ounces, Skin Script Mint Refining Toner, 2 ounces, Light Aloe Moisturizer, 2 ounces. Men and teens love this kit because it's simple, effective, and delivers real results. Whether you're new to skincare or looking to upgrade your routine, this 3-step system gives you professional-grade care at home. Click the link in the description to grab your kit today.